lunchtime guest here. Official main chips. Look, you're done. Good job.
Yeah. Just getting started.
Yep.
This is the way you do it, right here. These are amazing. And run up there to Sand Beach.
I could see if it was slippery, like that perforator said, it wouldn't be so safe.
Yeah, no doubt.
I'm not afraid of a ladder. You can do this. Just don't fall off the ladder or the rock. Ugh.
Alright.
Huh? A little more?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a good one. Just hold on. The trick is to hold on.
Yeah, don't let go.
Don't let go.
Okay, you just finished the Beehive. What do you think?
High five. One and done. One done.
What'd you think about it? Do it
Fun.
again?
Yeah, it's fun. A little bit, edgy, but, not Manitou Springs, not the incline. No, it's good. Beautiful view.
Yeah, and it took us about an hour and 40 minutes.
And we stopped for a snack.
And we stopped for a while up at the top, so
Pictures, snacks, all that.
yeah, so you can do it pretty quick. detour right here. It seems to be pretty tricky.
Yeah.
It looks like, I don't know why we're detouring, but looks like some people have been trying to live here. And there's an area over there you can see as we get down here. It looks like a tarp and a cooler. And they just made themselves a home. It's the worst part of the whole trail, so a mile maybe. And then you're back on the regular trail. Here's what I was talking about. Like somebody has put a set up camp here.
The first part was like a decomposing body.
Okay.
Come on, two crime fans.
So we're on the Cadillac North Ridge Trail. We're about a mile and a half up right now up the trail. Just want you to look at the views you get. The views are amazing. Anyway, I think we're about 7/10 of a mile to the top, to the summit, and that's where we're heading. Ooh, what are you picking there?
Blueberries. Little blueberries. I wish they were a little bigger. Some people said just get a handful. So I guess if I start, from like...
Yeah, I'm gonna give you about 15 to 20 minutes after you eat, and we'll see how it goes.
Hunger Games. See?
Well, we'll see if you don't swell up or anything like that.
Oh, like Willy Wonka.
And then if something happens, then I won't eat any, and if everything works out, I'll have some on the way back.
So historically, blueberries make you really puffy in the chocolate factory, or you die, like in Hunger Games. That little girl ate some berries, I thought.
Oh, wow. Okay, way to bring the vibe down.
I love blueberries. They're so good for you.
Okay, we made it to the top of North Cadillac Trail, and it took us about a little over an hour and a half to get up here. It's 2.2 miles, pretty rocky, not too bad overall of a climb. But when you get to the summit, it is absolutely gorgeous, and you got water and islands on all the way around you, and literally you could spend an easy hour up here exploring. Sit down and have some lunch, snack, or something like that. But man, the views are amazing. We're about ready to head back down. You ready to do this? It's getting pretty hot today, so got to get cooled off. So we're heading down.
Oh, we still gotta walk to our Jeep.
Yay, that's a short trip though.
Yay.
Okay, we just finished the Cadillac North Ridge Trail, 2.2 miles each way, so about 4.5 miles total round trip. And well, I would say it's a moderate hike.
Yeah, because there's some climbing. You're going up.
Yeah, you're going up, so
And
there's some climbing.
Down, so.
And we took about an hour to get down, about an hour and a half to get up, but I would allot for at least 3 hours. And 4 hours give you more time to sit at the summit and kind of walk around. You could literally spend an hour up there walking around.
Yeah, if you don't drive up there later.
Yeah, so you have to get a pass to drive up there. And after
no pass to hike up there.
No pass to hike, but after 8:30 p.m. you can drive your vehicle up there to the top. We did it last night. It was about 9 o'clock or so when we got up there. It was pretty dark, but anyway, you have to be down by 10 o'clock because they shut and lock the gates to the mountain. So just something to keep in mind if you want to check it out. Earlier the better, but go during the day because the views are fantastic. All right, that's our second hike for today. We're done. We're off to meet some friends and get some dinner and maybe have a cold refreshment.
Definitely something cold.
All right, we're out.